Got it here, vintage pencil sharpener. So you lock it in like this, and it will grind it up. It will mount to the table. You kind of have to push it a little bit forward for it to sharpen your pencil. So as you can see, it has a bunch of gears and grinders, and it's grinding the pencil up by sharpening it this way. Boom, check this out. That's really sharp. Got it here, 3 vintage coin purses. You open it up this way and open it this way, and then you get your change over here and put it in there, and then close it back up. So this is very unique from 1800s. And also this one is a smaller one, like a keychain one. Grab your coins, you see, from 1800s, stick it in there and close it back up. That's quite unique. And this one is a little bit newer one. This is not made out of silver, but look how much coins it can hold. It's only appropriate to put all the silver coins in that kind of wallet. Boom, you close it up, shrink it, and lock it. How cool is that? Whenever you need change, you just pull it out and maybe lay it on the table, grab whatever you need. Boom, amazing. This side here, vintage blade shaving sharpener. So you lock it in, and what you're going to do is just spin it. And it will flip it over and sharpen it on the other side. You see how it flips it over, sharpen the other side. And once you're done, you just pull this out and your blade is sharpened. Next level, camping grill. So you just unfold it this way and flip all the way around like this, each leg. It's probably most foldable camping grill ever. And then there's legs right here too. Then you put this together and it locks it in. And then the charcoal holder or wood holder goes into here. Just plug it in and you can raise it higher all over. So you could put bottle pen on top of here and wood or charcoal in here. Got it here, next level can opener. It opens like that and then locks in into here. And all you have to do is pull the lever back and forth. Then you have right here 2 teeth, grab it and pull it off. It does not cut the can, it pried open so there's no sharp edges here or here. Got it here, next level salad spinner. And if you want to use it as a strainer, just flip it like this. Got it here, the best bread keeper. Check this out. Stick your bread and then you grab the plastic and put it over it this way. Just like that. You grab it, lift it up by pulling the plastic bag, take a couple of pieces and then you push it back up. That's it. Got it here, next level measuring spoon. Let's say we need to grab some flour and it's exact teaspoon or whatever you need. If you need a smaller scoop, look how easy it is to get the right amount. Just scoop it, flatten it out, and you have exact amount. So next level measuring scoop. Amazing. But if you pull it like this, you have right here scissors. And they're pretty good. And to put it away, just fold it back up. Also, you have right here bottle opener and screwdriver. Got idea, Salk Q1 multi-tool pen. First of all, there's a pen. Also very easy to open it, just twist it and pull it out. That's how you replace the pen. Let's start to open it. Wow! Got it here, soda bottle fizz keeper. So you're gonna fill up the cup and just plug in the fizz keeper and just pump it up. Next time, whenever you want to refill the bottom, all you have to do is just open that. And it was not a fizzes that came out, it just pressurized bottle. Look at that. Wow, it's holding the pressure. Look how much it fills up. Obviously, you won't be doing that, but let's start to open. Wow! This right here is a Microtech bell. Microtech logo and belt buckle is very unique. super tight, but very easy to unbuckle by pressing 1 and 2 and it comes off. Love it. And also really easy to readjust it. So whenever you want to tighten it up, just push it and Velcro it. Same thing here. Tighten it up and Velcro it. Got it here, Jetline most powerful lighter. Boom, you got it here, 6 flames. I never seen a lighter with the 6 torches. That's cool. And it is quite adjustable, as you can see. Got it here, very unique can opener. It's adjustable, and check out this blade. So the way it works, you just push it through the can in the middle, all the way through, and then you adjust it. And just spin it all the way around like this. That's it. I guess that's the best it's going to do. Wow, it's kind of ripped off at the end. Got it here, probably the coolest vintage nut cracker. Put your nut in here like a walnut and pop it in so that way you can see what happened. Boom, and it completely fell apart into 3 pieces, and look how easy it is to take off the nut. That's cool. And one more time, you readjust it, level it, and there's gears. You close that so that way it doesn't fly out. Crack it, open it, and check this out. There's 4 pieces. That's pretty awesome. Got it here, probably the coolest vintage nut cracker. Put your nut in here like a walnut and pop it in so that way you can see what happened. Boom, and it completely fell apart into 3 pieces, and look how easy it is to take off the nut. Got it here, fractional silver bar, 999 pure silver, 100 grams, 100 by 1 gram. It's around $150 right now. Premium are really high, but what it's for, it breaks up into many pieces to trade. The whole bar is $150, but what if we need to trade? We take off a piece. This is pretty satisfying, and now this each piece is only $1.50. So if you need $80, you could just break off in half, just like a chocolate bar. There you go, they said here $65, I mean. Got it here, new Rita XO. There's a name of it right here, and the date was made, serial number, so only a couple months ago, and it's pretty awesome. So it is a gravity knife. It's kind of fun to flick it this way, and it's partially serrated. So that's a new ones right here. Beautiful. There is a steel. I really enjoy this very fidgety knife.